Our project uses a narrative-driven story to explore three elements: teamwork, communication, and emotional awareness. So in our story, we have 5 different characters by using 5 different colors to differentiate them, and strengths who initiate the experience of conflict due to misunderstanding, ego, and unmanaged emotions. So in our story, we will illustrate how anger and poor communication will fail to resolve the problems and leading a greater conflict. Our creative intent is one to share to the younger, learn how to listen to each other, respect the different opinion, and collaborate effectively. In our story, have reflects the real-world teamwork challenge will appear in our surroundings when we collaborate with each other. So we aim to promote the emotional intelligence to the younger, that they can understanding other perspective. Overall, our concept seeks to encourage the kindness, cooperation, share success through the storytelling that is both engaged and educational. For our progress, we have using Suno AI music to create our theme song. Our theme song is a bit upbeat and cheerful. This is because want to match the overall visual of our story. So the energetic rhythm can help audience immerse deeper themselves in the story world, and while the lyrics is convey the important message like the anger cannot solve the problem, only understanding and communication can lead the positive change.
Our workflow and credit rational. This is our timeline. We have to the three phases. First is pre-production, production, and post-production. In pre-production stage, we begin with the concept development in week 1 to week 2. We have used the Google for the research and correct the inspiration. Then the Procreate, we have used the Procreate to create the mood board and the initial concept design. In the story and planning, we have used the Procreate to develop our storyboard and script also, which in the timeline from week 3 to week 6. Next, we have focused on the visual development, and we use the Pinterest and the Procreate to create the style guide. We have completed in week 7 to 9. Finally, in the week 10, we move on to the sound planning, and we have using the Sonos AI and Pixabay to create the audio design plan. Then in next is the production stage. In the production, we have got focus on asset creation, such as the modeling, texturing, and the rigging, by using the Blender from the week 10 to week 14. After that, we have start animation production in next sem, expect complete it in 5 weeks. Then the last stage is the post-production. We will handle rendering and lighting by using the Blender tool. Expect complete it from the week 6 to week 10. Following that, we will focus the composition by using the Adobe After Effects and then complete it in week 10 to week 14. Finally, in the editing and sound, we will use the Adobe Audition to integrate all the audio and video. In addition, we have planned to complete all the character rigging, environment modeling, and the prop creation during our sem break. to ensure that we have a smooth animation production process in the next sem. Uh, we our expected outcome is we expect have an efficient product process by carefully selecting the tools we aim to complete tasks efficiently within then giving the timeline while ensuring high quality creative outputs. And we also have aim to achieve the clear storytelling through the storyboard, have a smooth animation and the good sound effect when we can ensure it every detail can convey uh, emotional and information we want to convey.
Melody, sprites of music, imaginative and sincere, full of joy. Vivi, sprites of animation, cheerful and lively, quick thinking, and full of energy. Pomi, sprites of extended reality, cold and detached, maintaining a none of my business attitude. Dazi, sprites of design innovation, the invisible member of the team, shy and easily embarrassed. Ardo, sprites of screen production, hot-tempered and self-centered, often asserting authority through professional expertise. One day, a glowing scroll drops from the ceiling, urgent order, happiness. Each sprite works on their own. Vivi animates shapes, Ardo projects screens, Melody sings, etc. Suddenly Dream Machine flashes red lights and trembles. Bright light burst. When smoke clears, a cute puppy appears. Where the machine was. To be continue.
Challenges. So the challenges that we face is environment modeling, and it's difficult in translating 2D environment sketches accurately into 3D models and different in scale, proportion, and spatial depth when converting from sketch to 3D. So second is story understanding. So we need to ensuring the audience could clearly understand the story and its intended meaning through the visual and communicating the narrative through the character action, environment design, and visual cue rather than the verbal explanation. So the third is art style consistency. So we need to maintaining a consistent visual style across character and environment, and it is different in modeling detail and lighting risks breaking visual coherence. So the last is the character accuracy. We need to translating 2D sketch into 3D sketch model accurately and preserving position, silhouettes, and the key design feature from the original sketches. So next is innovation. So it's adopt a stylish visual approach to better translate 2D sketch into 3D environment and character. Second is emphasize visual storytelling over dialogue to communicate the story and its intense meaning. And third is use environment design and character action as narrative tool. And the fourth is establish a unified art direction to ensure consistency across character and environment. And last is focus on silhouettes based design to preserve character identity from the original sketch. So this is the solution. So we use the original sketches as constant reference throughout modeling and layout. And second is adjust scales, proportion, and spatial depth through multiple refinement. Apply clear staging, camera framing, and spacing and pacing to guide audience understanding. Maintain consistent color plate, lighting, and modeling detail across all scenes. The number five is continuously compare and refine 3D character model to match the original sketches. And last is simplify complex detail where necessary to improve workflow efficiency and technical stability.